Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. And the force restart could be useful if something is not working on your watch properly, maybe it's a bit sluggish or unresponsive. You could try to force restart this watch and hopefully it will solve your problems. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to press and hold the crown button. And you need to keep holding it for about, I would say, 10 seconds, maybe 15, basically until you see the HONOR logo on the screen. So keep holding the button. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds. And we're back in the system, as you can see. And basically that's how you force restart this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.